and welcome to 7 Seconds Transformation Hacks. My name is Karen Conrad and I'm the author of the book 7 Seconds, which is a homestaging book and course. And I'm applying those same principles in remodeling homes so I can show you how easy it is to take principles from homestaging and apply it to your own home. So we are going to be remodeling this living room for under $300. So if you missed the first video, that's where I brought you from the initial transformation, and we brought in a look that had a lot of black and white and sort of the turquoise look. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to take this room and turn it into a completely different looking room with navy blue as a color scheme. Do you know when you've got a set of furniture that is neutral and you notice here I've got black, I've got off-white, I've got gray, but nothing has patterns in it and nothing is a bright color. I brought in the farmhouse rug in the white and black. I've got the black fireplace behind me, and I'm telling you, you can do anything to a room when you keep things neutral. And so we're going to get started here and show you the transformation of a room in under $300. Okay, so me and my team had a lot of fun putting this room together. It was kind of like a challenge that we had. We brought in, I had gone to the store and just purchased a couple navy blue pillows and things today. Then we went throughout the house and we gathered everything that we could find to turn this into a new room with navy blue and white. And so I'm pretty excited about how it turned out. And I just wanted to let you know one of the tricks that I use in every home that I stage, and I did in this room too, is to add these IKEA curtains. When we moved into this house, there was no curtains here at all, and I usually don't add heavy curtains or things with a lot of color, but I wanted some softness around the windows. And so the IKEA curtains, they are $9.99 for a pair. Can you believe it? So we added those, and it also adds a lot of height to the room. So I went to Home Goods today and I just grabbed some navy type pillows that were on clearance. And so I spent like $12 on one pillow, $19 on another pillow, and they're really good quality. One of the things I watch for when I buy pillows is to make sure that they're feather pillows because they've just got a great consistency. And also from Home Goods, they have a lot of more contemporary artwork. And so behind me, you see this picture that we just added, and the navy and the white looks great with the black. Also from Home Goods, and you can get this at Ross as well, the navy and white, the ceramic pieces that have been around for years and they're kind of redoing it. You can pick them up for like $4, $5, $6. And so I've dispersed that around the room as well. I added some navy and white pillows here. I got those pillows at Pier 1 and they were a great price. I went to Hobby Lobby to find this lamp. I didn't want to have a lamp that had a lot of florals with it. So you can see this is a very nice lamp and it's got some stripes on. In Hobby Lobby, you're able to go every other week and get 50% off. And then you can find at either Ross or Home Goods, or actually Kirkland's has got some really nice lanterns too. I just chose a white lantern, a little white bird, and then from Hobby Lobby some more of the greenery with the more white base to it. And so here, also from Hobby Lobby, on the every other week when you can get the florals half price, I got the white hydrangeas. And also if you look behind me, you saw that we were trying to do something with greenery. It just didn't look right. And these are also from Hobby Lobby, so we added that. I really like these because they have a touch of green and you can see the branches and they look very real. One thing with florals, when you use florals that are, I guess fake, you would call her faux florals, I always go monochromatic. Once you start trying to mix colors with the faux florals, they just look really cheap and they look really fake, but I feel like we can get by with something that's a faux floral if we use it in this manner where it's monochromatic and it's got a little bit of the greenery. Also from Kirkland's, I got this lantern, which I really like, and then put those, remember I was telling you about the cheaper version of the luminaires that I'm able to get at Hobby Lobby. Also at Hobby Lobby, half price, you're able to get pretend books that are in navy blue. And so I added those to the fireplace. So we had a lot of fun here with our pillows, just bringing in some navy, maybe a little bit more cobalt blue with some white and blue. And then we have our same wedding picture over here. I used the third candlestick that I had used here in the center over here and mixed in some items that we had around the house that were in the color scheme. And so again, when you have a base of furniture, a foundation of something that's neutral and doesn't go into color, you can change the look of any room for very inexpensive. So here is your remodel of the living room for under $300.